Welcome to Techietalkee.
Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain about the bitwise AND operator. It is represented by using the ampersand symbol. Bitwise operators in general perform operations based on the truth table. Also, the AND operator needs two operands to perform the bitwise AND operation. So this is the truth table of AND operator. 0 and 0 will be 0. 0 and 1 will be 0. 1 and 0 will be 0. 1 and 1 will be 1. Now let me show you an example on how the bitwise operator works. Here I am assigning 6 to a variable A and 4 to a variable B. And I want to print A ampersand B. I'm going to do the bitwise operation on A and B. How does the bitwise AND work here? First, 6 and 4 will be converted to binary value. In my bitwise overview video, I had explained you on how to convert an integer to binary and binary to integer. For converting 6 to a binary value, I'll keep dividing it by 2 until I get the remainder as either 1 or 0. Then I have to write it down in the reverse order. So the binary value of 6 is 110 and the binary value of 4 is 100. Next, we have to perform the bitwise AND operation on these two values. So I am writing down the binary values of both 6 and 4 here. So for performing the bitwise AND operation, I need the truth table. So this is the truth table that I was talking about. In this case, 0 and 0. 0 and 0 is 0. So I'll write down 0 here. 1 and 0. 1 and 0 is 0 as per the truth table. So I'll write down 0 here. 1 and 1 will be 1. So I'll write down 1 here. This is the value that I get after performing the bitwise AND operation on 6 and 4. So next I need to convert this value to a binary value. And how will I do it? So I write down the numbers here and then on each of these values I'll multiply by 2 to the power of 0, 1 or 2. So in this case 2 power 0 is 1 into the value which is 0. So 1 into 0 is 0. So the next value that I have is 0. So I'm going to multiply 0 by 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is 2. So 2 into 0 is 0. The next value that I have is 1. And I'm going to multiply 1 by 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4. So 4 into 1 is 4. So when I add these three values, I'll get the integer value of this binary value. So the integer value is 4. Now let's execute this code in Python and see what result we are getting there. So I have A to be 6, B to be 4 and I want the result of A and B. And here I'm getting the answer to be 4, which is the same as we saw here. Hope you now understood how the bitwise operator works.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.